The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is generating significant buzz as its release date draws near. If you're excited about the latest in smartphone technology, you can already reserve your device for free and even have a chance to win up to $5,000 in Samsung credit. The link to reserve is in the description, so you don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Let's take a closer look at what makes this phone stand out. A modern and comfortable design. One of the first things you'll notice about the Galaxy S25 Ultra is its new design. Samsung has moved away from the sharp edges seen on the previous model and opted for a smoother, more rounded design. This change makes the phone feel more comfortable in the hand while still maintaining the flat screen many users prefer. It's a blend of style and functionality, ensuring the phone is both sleek and easy to use. A stunning display. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is equipped with a 6.9-inch QHD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X display, one of the best in the industry. With a 120Hz refresh rate, this display offers smooth scrolling and a responsive touch experience. Thanks to Samsung's advanced AI technology, the display has seen a 43% improvement in brightness and color vibrancy compared to the previous model. This results in a sharper, more vibrant screen that's perfect for watching videos, playing games, or browsing the web. Powerful performance. The S25 Ultra is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which offers substantial improvements in speed and performance. Graphics are 34% faster, the CPU is 38% more powerful, and AI processing has seen a 43% boost, making the phone more responsive and capable of handling intensive tasks. Whether you're multitasking, playing graphic-heavy games, or streaming high-definition content, the S25 Ultra delivers exceptional performance. Additionally, the cooling system has been redesigned to be 42% more efficient than the previous model, reducing heat buildup during heavy use and ensuring the phone stays cool even during extended gaming sessions. A pro-level camera system. The camera system on the Galaxy S25 Ultra is one of its standout features. The phone is equipped with a 200MP main sensor, a 50MP ultra-wide lens with macro mode, a 50MP periscope telephoto lens with 5x zoom, and a 10MP telephoto lens with 3x zoom. This setup allows for incredibly detailed shots, whether you're capturing landscapes, close-ups, or long-distance photos. AI features like Audio Eraser * help eliminate background noise from videos, while Log Video lets you capture raw footage for greater editing flexibility. The camera system also excels in low-light conditions, delivering sharp and clear photos even in challenging environments. Long battery life and ample storage. The S25 Ultra comes with a 5000 mAh battery, offering 45W wired charging and 25W wireless charging. This ensures you can quickly recharge your phone and keep going without worrying about running out of power. With up to 16 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage, the phone offers plenty of room for all your apps, photos, videos, and other content. This makes the S25 Ultra perfect for power users who need ample storage and memory for multitasking. Durable and user-friendly. The phone is designed with durability in mind, featuring Gorilla Glass Armor 2 on both the front and back for added protection. The robust titanium frame ensures the device can withstand drops and impacts without compromising on quality. Running on Android 15 with One UI 7, the Galaxy S25 Ultra offers a smooth, intuitive user experience with plenty of customization options. Pricing and availability. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra will be available in 4 colors: titanium blue, titanium black, titanium gray, and titanium silver. There will also be exclusive color options available. The starting price is expected to be around $1,299, slightly higher than the previous model, but still offering excellent value for the features and performance it provides.